I'm Adrian, the cruise and travel guy, and recently I was contacted by the people at Level 8 Luggage to see if I would be interested in reviewing some of their products. I was in need of some new luggage, with the first ever suitcase that I purchased for myself, a Samsonite B-Lite, now 10 years old and starting to get a little long in the tooth. My concern with these sorts of review videos is whether or not you can rely on them to be honest. And when I asked Level 8 representatives what they would require out of me, they said they only needed and wanted my honest review and feedback. So that was good enough for me. I hadn't heard of Level 8 before they reached out, but after reviewing their website and reviews, I was pretty excited to get my hands on some of their products. Level 8 asked me to choose a few products from their range, and I went with the two-piece Voyageur set. Coming in yellow and black, it contains both a larger check-in size and a matching carry-on. Plus, I also ordered one more check-in size case called the Luminous Textured, and finally another carry-on case called the Road Runner. Level 8 says that their luggage is made from durable, quality materials with sleek and simple designs, and upon first impressions, I had to agree. I haven't used hardshell luggage cases before, but if you've been traveling anywhere in the world recently, you'll see that they're quite on trend. My first impression was that they felt solid. I really like the materials on the Voyageur set. The yellow and black combination makes them hard to miss on airport conveyor belts or in cruise terminals. I think they're really stylish in this bumblebee kind of motif. The luminous check-in case ironically fades a bit more into the background, although I think the navy color is sophisticated, and again the material on the outside feels really nice to touch and high quality. Inside, all of the cases are really well designed and well considered. I love that you can segment each half of the suitcase with a zip panel, and the additional pockets give you more space to store smaller items or things you don't want to lose in the larger compartments. Even wet items can be stored in this pocket. What really struck me though was the general feeling of quality, in particular the trolley handle and the wheels. The way these suitcases feel to roll is just luxurious. They're so smooth. They really deal with bumps on streets and footpaths with ease, and they don't just roll around in any which direction. They feel like the four-wheel drive of the luggage world. Apart from airports, hotels, and cruise terminals, we ended up walking outside with these quite a lot on our recent Kimberley trip. Both from our Sydney hotel to the airport, which was about a 10-minute stroll over sometimes uneven pavement, and then again between hotels in Darwin, which was another 10 or 15 minutes. Both times, the luggage handled the environment with ease, and uneven footpaths and gaps were not even remotely a struggle. Even with a good amount of weight in the cases, you never had to pull them behind you. You could just walk and they would roll next to you. The trolley handle on the Voyageur set is really wide, so if you do like to slot over smaller cases or bags, you won't be able to do that with that piece. But there is a lot of adjustment, so you can get the perfect fit for your height. I actually like the way the wider handle looks. It's really unique and stands out and makes a bit of a statement, not that the yellow and black didn't already do that. The textured case and Road Runner case both have regular width handles, so you can slot smaller bags over, which I generally prefer. The suitcases each have TSA security locks, and you can set your own custom pin when you first receive them. I was a bit worried when I first saw that the luggage can't be expanded like a typical soft case, but I was surprised by just how much I was able to fit into them, and I think having that segmented compartment on both sides of the luggage actually really helped me pack better. I was able to fit everything I needed for a 14-night trip using just this textured case. Because the Voyageur trolley handle is wide, it doesn't impede on the internal space of the case, while the Luminous textured case handle does protrude into one of the internal compartments. That didn't really affect my use of the space inside because it's quite flat, but it did mean that pulling the handle out required more effort, as I had to pull the handle against the friction caused from my clothing inside. It was fine and probably wouldn't be an issue if you didn't overpack like I did, but in that way I did prefer the Voyageur case's wider handle. While the Voyageur carry-on case is just a smaller version of the larger check-in style, the Road Runner carry-on case is a design all on its own. I chose this one because it has a forward compartment that is perfect for a laptop and means that overnight or short business trips can be taken without needing to bring a separate laptop bag. The compartment even has its own built-in TSA security lock, and it fits my pretty large 16-inch MacBook Pro with no issues. I did manage to scuff the front of the Road Runner carry-on case when I wasn't paying attention and walked into a wall, but apart from that, they've all held up really well. The textured finish on the Voyageur case is prone to black marks from conveyor belts in transit, but they do tend to wipe off quite easily. After 4 or 5 flights, all of the suitcases are still in great condition. There are no dents or major issues to report at all, and it really feels like it will last a lifetime. I really enjoyed using this luggage. It feels really solid, well put together, and looks sophisticated. Level 8 also backs their luggage products with a lifetime warranty that covers any functional damage to the shell, wheels, handles, zippers, or anything else that impairs your use of the luggage caused by manufacturing defects in material and workmanship. I have no hesitation in recommending Level 8's products. I would say that my favorite would be the Voyageur large case with the wide handle and the Road Runner carry-on case. If you're in the market for new luggage, you can use the link in the description below to order your very own and use the code Adrian10 for 10% off your order. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to book a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and you can give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at thecruiseandtravelguy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.